So good evening students, so we'll wait for another 5 minutes because timing has been changed for both maths and science now. Now we'll have the session from 6 to 7. So we'll wait for another 2 to 5 minutes because many students are yet to join. Tanvi, Ryan will wait. If you have any doubt now, Tanvi and Ryan, then you can ask. Topics what we have completed now from those topics or any from any chapter, any topic, if you have doubt, then please ask. Still only three of you have joined, Sejal, Tanvi and Ryan. What about others? Why they are not joining? Because timings in morning itself, this now it was informed. So let's start because others will join. See, we have seen this is a trigonometric portion. Trigonometry was the introduction to trigonometry was chapter number 8, and this will be some applications of trigonometry. Before before starting up, please turn on the videos. Okay, Navneet, you have turned on CGL. What about CGL? Then we please turn on the video. Riyan also. Vijay, Anish. Then we'll start the session. So Navneet, why delay happened? Because you know the timings, no, 6 to 7. We have now the session for maths and science both. In morning only I just informed all of you. See, so let's start. See, in application of trigonometry, what we'll see? Basically, use of trigonometry ratios like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Basically, here we have use of tan theta to find the height of the right. Suppose tower is there or building is there, so we can find the height of that particular portion, or we can say base value also we can find. This chapter is also known as height and distance. Height and distance in some book they use this chapter name as height and distance or some application to some application of trigonometry. Any doubt from previous chapter, introduction to trigonometry, chapter number 8? Any doubt? Any of you have any doubt? Then please ask. Otherwise, we will just start this chapter. No doubts. Everyone completed that chapter. See, every day now you have to solve one chapter. Must, especially from maths and science. See, every day you can form one rule that I have to solve one chapter nicely. Suppose we have today. Suppose yesterday was 22nd. So say 22nd March. Suppose maths one chapter. So today will be 23rd. So alternately you can solve maths one chapter and science one chapter. Actually we have less time to try to solve maths one chapter and science one chapter both one in one day. And remaining time you can study because school is not there. So remaining time you can study other subjects. Maths one chapter and science one chapter. This is very important now because very time is very less. So how we can solve? How we can solve? Then question is, see, you can solve all examples you can solve, especially for maths. All examples and alternate questions. Alternate questions. What do you mean alternate questions? So for this height and distance, all examples will be fine. All examples you have to solve. And what we mean by alternate questions? Alternate question you can solve even or odd. Anyone you can choose, even number or odd number. Here I will say to solve odd number questions. Odd number question like one, question 3, question 5, question 7 is odd number questions you can solve because total question are 16 and total question are 16 and from this now 16 number is basically we have not from this syllabus because 16 in 16 question complementary angle concept is there, so that's why we can solve odd number question means question 1, question 3 dot dot question number up to 15. I'll see concepts how we can see means what is there in height and distance topic or application of trigonometry. We'll see now. Suppose we have one case here. See, this is we can say tower or any building, anything. See, suppose this is triangle ABC and this is basically top position of the building. Suppose this is tower, so we can say this will be height of the tower. This will be, we know this thing, height of the tower. If it is building, then height of the building. And this is the position of a boy, या फिर of a person who is seeing the top. He is seeing the top of the building or top of the tower. So this is basically, this line is, line from A to C is line of sight. Line of sight means line through which the person is observing from A to C. And this will be the angle in, we can say, angle of elevation. Always we have to take in anti-clockwise direction. This is suppose theta. So theta is angle of elevation. Theta will be angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Theta will be angle of elevation. And what will be AB? What will be AB? AB will be distance of a boy, a person at A from B. B means foot of the tower. B means foot of the tower, or we can say building. Suppose BC is building, so foot of the building, foot means bottom portion. And suppose BC is tower, then foot of the tower. We can represent by this diagram. And second thing, this we can make as this one, this shape also. This can be, BC can be tower or building. So B will be foot of the tower or foot of the building because bottom portion, and BC will be, angle B will be 90 degree. Suppose, let me take one example. Suppose height of the tower they have given as, suppose 100 meter, and this angle they have given as 30 degree or 60 degree. Let us take 60 degree. So we want to find this line of sight is AC and angle of elevation is 60 degree. So we have to find now the value of AB. So in triangle ABC, we can take tan 60 degree equal to BC by AB. Tan 60 will be equal to BC by AB. So BC is basically height of the tower, that is, we can say 100 they have given. AB we have to find. And now this 60 will be, tan 60 will be root 3 equal to 100 by AB. So what will be AB? AB means horizontal distance. So AB will be, first AB will go up, so this will be 100, and root 3 will go down. So 100 by root 3 will be the value of AB. 100 by root 3 meter, because this is 100 meter, so this will be 100 meter. No problem. Now we have this rule that now we convert this, now denominator side we don't keep root value. So hence AB will be 100 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, because in denominator side we don't keep root value. So 100 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So this will be basically 100 root 3 by 3 meter will be the value of AB. AB means the, this is point, distance from point A to point B. Distance from point A means distance of the person or boy standing at point A to point B, foot of the tower. So we can note the solution. So by this now we can find the values of AB value. Right. Noted. Now we'll see. Now we'll see questions from your this now book. This is noted, no? Now I'll see questions from your book. Same. Normally we have application, basically use of tan theta in this whole chapter. height will be given, we have to find AB value, or AB will be given, we have to find this the height of the tower. In second one type is this one, and second type will be this case. Suppose one person is there at the top of the lighthouse, or top of the tower, or top of the building. So this will be the, we can say, lighthouse or building or tower, and he observes one of his friend. So this is AB. If he observes one of the friend who is at a distance of, first see, first one you can say, we can say he observes his friend who is initially at an angle of this one. Suppose this is angle, initially his friend was at C, and let us take this angle of this will be angle of depression, because this is line of sight from A to C, because the person is at point A, and this is angle of depression because it's going down. So from this horizontal we'll take this angle as suppose 30 degree, because from A this boy or person is observing his friend at C, so depression angle will be 30 degree. So basically we can see here normal observation, this line and this line will be parallel, so this angle will be same 30 degree, this will be same 30 degree. Now next one will be this one, because next one will be this one. So suppose after some time this his friend comes near to this the base of the building, this we can say base of the building, or base of the tower, or base of the lighthouse, anything this can in question they will give. And suppose now this angle is it will this angle will increase, this angle will increase, because now we can have this angle, total angle will be more, because from this horizontal from a point friend is at D, so total angle let us take, this will be now 60 degree, because angle will be more, so this angle will be 60 degree, because lines are horizontal lines means this will be which angle, alternate into angle. We know this property, we have these parallel lines, this is the parallel lines L1 L2, so this angle will be equal to this one, angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate into angle, and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. We know this property, so same property we have used here, 60 degree. And suppose they have given this now AB value as let us take one case, suppose AB value is 40 meters, suppose height of the tower, or height of the building, or height of the lighthouse, and from C to D, this his friend comes near to this base of the building or base of the tower where this person at is standing. So let this CD be from C to D be 20 meter. So question they will ask, कि still how far this now from the base of the tower or base of the building, base of the lighthouse, this now his friend is from A. A means from this now building base, how far is still he is. So basically we have to find BD value. So please try this one. What will be BD value? And let me know the answer. How we can try? Let me solve for you. And then we'll see questions. More questions we can say. See. So we first will take big triangle. In triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, tan 30, tan 30 will be equal to P by B. So AB by BC. Tan 30 will be equal to AB by BC, P by B. So AB they have given 40 meter, fine, and BC we have to BC basically is CD plus BD. Okay, so we write CD plus BD, and 40 meter here, and CD they have given 20 meter plus BD equal to, what is value of tan 30? Tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. Tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. So we can do cross multiplication to get the value of BD, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Also see AB 40 is given, okay, suppose we have say suppose we have this height is also not known, this height is also not known. How we can find both height of the in question? Normally they ask both height of the tower and also this the BD distance, also BD distance. So height of the tower is not known. Let us take, so this will be AB itself, no issue. So this will be AB only. This value also we have to find both height of the tower or height of the building and BD value. So this will be question mark. Here also basically AB just we write. So we'll do cross multiplication. So this will be AB into root 3, okay, or we can say root 3 AB equal to 20 plus BD. Root 3 AB equal to 20 plus BD. Now we can see we have AB value we can write here now. So AB will be equal to 20 plus BD by root 3. 20 plus BD by root 3. This is equation number we can say 1. This is equation number 1. Fine. So now we get this equation of AB in terms of BD. Second case will be to take this triangle. Earlier we have taken ACB. ACB means A, C and B. This was the triangle. Now we'll see. Now we'll take smaller triangle, that is ADB. Now we'll take a smaller triangle, that is triangle ADB. We'll take ADB triangle and find the value of this now 1060 will take, and we'll get the values of AB and BD, some relation of AB and BD. So we write in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, tan 60 will be tan theta is P by B, or we can say opposite by adjacent. So we write P by B opposite by adjacent, AB by BD. And this value we know AB will be AB and BD also BD, no, because values are not given. So directly we can put the values of 10 60 degree, that is root 3. 10 60 will be root 3, 10 60 will be root 3. So AB will be equal to root 3 BD. AB will be equal to root 3 BD. Now we get the relation of AB in terms of BD for both the two equations we got, and we can solve, we can equate both the equations because AB left hand side is same, so we can equate both the equations. So hence we can write from equation 1 and equation 2 we get, simply we can write value 20 plus BD. This type of questions are there in your book, equal to root 3 BD. So we can do cross multiplication. This will be nothing is there, that means we can say 1. So 20 plus BD will be equal to 3 BD, and then this value will be, what will the value, 20 equal to twice BD. So BD will be equal to 10. BD equal to 10 value. So 10 will be in meter, basically BD will be 10. We'll put in square bracket. Hence we can write BD as 10 meter. So BD we got 10 meter. What will be AB value? What will be AB? So we have this relation of AB in terms of BD. We have this relation of AB in terms of BD. C. So AB will be here, from here we can find clear cut. This is here. From here also we can find AB from equation 2 also. So BD is known to 10 meter. So now hence AB will be equal to 10 root 3 meter from equation 2. We can write the reason from equation 2. From equation 2 we get this value. AB will be 10 root 3. AB will be equal to 10 root 3. So we can see how we can solve. So in this question AB was not given height of the tower, height of the building, and also BD. Just they have given CD value. CD means this the boy initially was at a point, boy or person. and C at C point his friend was there. So his friend moves from C to D. An angle of depression change from 30 to 60 degree. What will be angle of depression in first case? So this will be, we can say, this angle from horizontal 30 degree. In second case this will be, so for first angle of depression, line of sight will be this one, line of sight. And for second angle of depression, the line of sight will be this one, so 30 to 60. So, because these are parallel lines only basically, so this will be 30 degree and this will be 60 degree. And AB and BD value we can find by taking first triangle ACB. We get some relation of AB and BD. This is the first relation. And then we'll take smaller triangle, triangle ABD, and from that we had one relation, AB is equal to root 3 BD. And then we can equate both these equation to get the value of BD. BD is 10, means 10 meter, and then AB will be root 3 10, or 10 root 3 meter will be AB value. Any doubt in this question? Please note the solution, and if you have any doubt then please ask. This is one sample question we have seen. Now we'll see textbook question from this chapter. Please note the solution. Noted. Ajit, Harshita, Navneet, let me know
Yes,
once
sir.
this, no,
Noted.
you have noted this. Okay. Now I'll see questions from your book. Textbook basis. Some questions are good, other questions are basically, most of the questions are repeated questions only, means same pattern. Every time you have to draw the diagram. Very simple. From this elevation will be basically from this down we'll see elevation. Elevation means person is standing at the ground and observing height object. Height object means tower, top of the tower or top of the building or top of the lighthouse. And depression means from top we are observing bottom positions. So that is one case. And based on that now we can draw the diagram. Angles will be given, and we can take the this triangles, two triangles in this case because two angles are given. First we'll take triangle ACB, then from that we will get AB value in terms of BD. Secondly we'll take triangle ADB, from that we'll get one relation, then we can equate to get the final value of BD and AB. Correct. Now I'll see this now questions from your, see, 1 second. Suppose here is the question. Suppose one balloon is there, when one balloon is there at this position, and after some time its position book close and everybody will solve the question. Because we have, see, now practice will be there, because now I got complaint last time that some students are not understanding the topic. My question is, there should not be any understanding now because syllabus is over, topic is over. Now what we are doing, revision. Revision means practice. Practice for making this not for gaining good score means additional score. Suppose you are getting without revision, suppose you are getting 80%, then after revision 90%, 100%. That is the process. Still you are finding any difficulty, then you can ask during the session, not not to complain after the session. That is very bad thing. So every time you have to, because repeatedly I ask, any doubt you can ask, you can unmute from your end and then you can ask, otherwise use chat option also. But because now how I will know ki you are getting or not? Normally I ask, okay, if any doubt you can let me know. But I don't get response from your end. So what I should infer from that? Because I will assume that everybody having no doubt. Basically, everybody is understanding the topic basically. So this was the balloon basically, and here this boy is there, and boy height we can ignore. Boy height we can ignore because based on the height of the balloon, this height we can ignore. And initially, this angle is will be more. If it is near, the angle will be more, and later this angle will be less. It's going away. This angle will reduce 30 degree, and this is whole thing is height of the boy is also given. 1 second. Height of the boy or girl. Okay, this height of the that one girl is flying the balloon. Balloon we can say, or okay, fine. Balloon he is observing. So this is height of the girl. They given 1.2 meter, and this we can take as base level. Base means ground, and okay, this is I value. I basically position of I, and this total height from the ground of the balloon is given as 88.2 meter. So to find the distance between the balloon. So distance of the balloon will be this much distance because this will be height will be same. This level will be is same. Level is same. Just the position of the balloon has changed. Level is same. Just the position of the balloon has changed from this position to this position, and accordingly angle also changes from 60 degree to 30 degree. 60 degree when this the balloon is near to this girl, and 30 degree when balloon goes away from the girl. So to find the distance between the balloons. So please try everyone. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Girl height is 1.2 meter, and balloon height from the base is from the base or from the ground is 88.2 meter, and elevation is given because girl is at the ground and she is observing the balloon at the height. So elevation is first is 60 degree when the balloon is near to the girl, and then 30 degree when it is far from the girl. Right.
So what should we find?
Distance between the balloon. So distance, and why most of you have joined late, because timing I morning only I have shared 6 to 7. Going ahead also timing will be same 6 to 7. So please join on
So
time.
it's normally 7 to 8,
6 to 7
and I
actually.
didn't check the messages, so I came late today.
Say distance between balloons we have to find distance between distance traveled, we can say proper question is distance traveled. Let me write distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. What is interval? Means observing time. Interval means girl is observing from this position. So first balloon was at some position and making angle 60 degree from the eye, and then after some time this the balloon goes to this position. It moves in right hand side, but height is same at the same level we can say, and angle of elevation changes to 60 degree. 30 degree basically 30 degree angle will less. So we have to find distance between the balloon or distance traveled by the balloon during this observation or during the interval. So better to take A B C D. Always we'll take A B C D. Let's just take this A B, this portion C, and this is D. This will be E, and this is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. So basically we have to find C value, and C will be equal to BD value. C will be equal to BD value. Right now I can see 7 of you have joined, so I want answer from all 7 of you. And anyone
So
having
I replied.
okay, anybody having difficulty, please ask. Okay, we'll check. We'll see. Two angles are given. We'll take two triangles. One triangle will be triangle ABC. There will get some relation between BC and AB, and then one another triangle will take triangle ADE, and that in that angle will be treated some relation between DE and AD. So based on these relations, now we can find the value of BD, that will be equal to CE. So Navneet, Prabhanjan, Sejal, Tanvi, Harshita, please try. Ajit also. See, important question from this topic is important question from this chapter. We can say height and distance or application of trigonometry is only 3 questions. Actually, 4 questions. One is example, question number 13 from NCERT book, question number 14, and question 15. 16 number is basically use of in this na 16 number we had complementary angle use. So complementary angle use was not there in trigonometry portion, introduction to trigonometry. So most probably that will not they will not consider this question while setting the question paper from for this chapter. An example we can say 7 number. So these are important questions from this chapter. Others are similar type. If you solve this question, then others also you can solve easily. So these are the 4 questions. We will try to solve all these questions. This is question number 14 from your book. And after this question, we'll see 13, 15, and example 7 also. So see, meeting will end in 1 minute time, less than 1 minute. So everyone will join once again.